Alright guys, I thought of another unnecessary but pretty necessary how-to video on... Shout out to James Maitland, my roommate from Camden Military Academy, for slicing his hand open with this when he first tried to use it. But this is a P38, it's a can opener. And you use a can opener to open cans. And the way there is, there's a little ridge there, and these are awesome to take on camping trips because look how small it is. You know, just a little pack it away. Anyway, it's got a little ridge there. Put it on the side of the can, okay? Do it slowly. If you don't know what you're gonna do, you're gonna go, and you slice your finger, okay? Go slow. You just bend it forward and then back, and back, rotate, and rotate. Side to side. Maybe you get a little crisscross. And if you know what you're doing, you can speed up a little bit. I kind of know what I'm doing. I don't know the last time I used an actual can opener. And then we are at the end of it, and that is how you use a P38. That is how you open a can. And Maitland, I still think it still makes me laugh when I think about you cutting your finger open. Anyway, guys, be safe. These can be dangerous. Fully semi can opener, automatic.